co-SVAs, congratulations, because you belong to Phyllis song Super VA community, which is the best VA community out there. When I look for a job online, it was not easy. I've been rejected a few times, got accepted, and in some interviews, but I'm not really feeling positive with the offers. I've also completed and passed real estate training from an agency, but little did I know that there is no client waiting for me. So it was really frustrating because they are prioritizing those with experience. No? And then I see your posting. It was different from all the postings out there. The tenor sounds like you are a very people person, and I am right. I am glad that I clicked it and applied because it is the best blessing for me this year. One of the topics during the training that really stuck me is it was discussed last Monday. Be the person you want to be it, do it, have it. It somehow affirmed that I made the right decision to leave the corporate world, and it made me whole again. So to Coach Phyllis and her team, I am truly grateful for all that you do. You guys definitely rock. You did not just share us a lovely community and life-changing trainings. You made me feel like I belong to a real family where relationships are authentic and intimate as sisters. To my co-SVAs, congratulations, because you belong to Phyllis song Super VA community, which is the best VA community out there. This is the only community that does not only train us with the necessary skill sets that we need for our tasks, but what I like the most is the part that they teach us build strong EQ, which you cannot find in any other VA communities, not even in VA agencies. So enjoy and have fun learning. Thank you, everyone.